Good morning, everybody. I'm out here just enjoying some beautiful scenery and taking in the marsh and how pretty it is, how calm and peaceful. It does look like we have a storm rolling in, so some of our plans may actually have to change today, but there are worse places to be stuck indoors, I think. Well, this has really been the day of storms canceling plans. As many of you know, we recently had a hurricane that swept through New York and New England, and we are from New York. So my husband was supposed to fly back, actually, right in the middle of that hurricane, and his flight not only got canceled, but it got delayed by 2 days to give the storm time to clear out, and then, of course, get all the flight backlog out. So that was the first change of plans that we had due to stormy weather. And then, as you'll see in this video, we had more changes of plans today due to the storm. So it's been a little bit crazy with weather, and I guess that's to be expected for late summer, though.
King of Facebook.
Mark Zuckerberg?
Ding, take a chip. How am I going to show him with Pilates classes? I was about to sit there.
But you weren't showing. You were the guesser.
You're kidding.
I would not even recognize Pilates is not a reasonable clue,
no.
honey.
No.
That's not a reasonable
Absolutely
clue.
not.
Come on.
That I would
This is a disaster, but I'll go with this.
It's just a disaster.
That's a disaster.
Oh, that's so easy.
I bet it is.
Uh-huh.
Pinata.
That's it. Next one.
Bow and arrow. Archery. Bullseye. Target. Native Americans. That is a bow and arrow. Archery.
Time's up.
Time's up.
Take from the
What the heck was it?
You're gonna get it like that. Okay.
Ready? John Wick.
Keanu Reeves.
Yeah. All right. Second one.
I didn't know what category.
Second one. Crap. I know where he's from. I know who he is. He's that one actor with the last name that's like a type of ship.
Skipper, schooner.
No.
Sailboat?
That you go on like for a vacation. It's nice. I've never been on one. Dad used to go on them a lot.
Cruise. Tom Cruise.
Yes. Oh yeah.
Eating. Chilling. Watching TV. MTV. Watching TV. Watching Kim Kardashian. I don't know.
Time's up. It was movie theater.
Oh.
Get it? Miley Cyrus.
Who's the Sorcerer Supreme? Funny name.
Oh, no, I don't know.
It's the
her name.
type of eggs you like.
It's a pass.
What kind of eggs do we like to eat with holidays?
Scrambled? Eggs Benedict? Oh, I know him.
That's
It's Alexander...
his first name
Benedict
is like,
Cumberbatch.
There you go.
Well, it turned out to be beautiful, regardless of the morning weather that wasn't so great.
Subscribe.
Hi, puppies. Okay, this is going to be quite a storm. It's impressive. Okay, he's got his head completely shoved under the chair. He's sleeping and growling. Well, this is our attempt at getting a nice family photo. And we're back at the house after going out for dinner. As I said, today has been really quiet. We had some plans that got canceled due to weather. We had some severe storms that rolled through the area today. As you can see from the sky behind me, there's some color back there. Really pretty. So we sort of had to make do with unexpected things. We did get in a brief period of swimming, and we also had some fun playing board games as a family. For the most part today, though, we just relaxed and kind of hung out and chilled, spent some time together, talking, laughing, arguing, you know what families do. And that was the day. I appreciate you joining us on this journey. Today is, I believe it's day 12 of my 21-day daily vlogging challenge. And I'm sorry I don't have any fish to show you right now, but that is going to change, I'm pretty sure, very soon. So hang in there with me, and I'll catch you later.